Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator. In this session, we shall discuss few problems based on chapter 1 of class 10. We have already discussed the concepts of this chapter. You will get the videos by clicking on the I button. So now let's get started. So the first question is you have to expand log 1000. Now this is the second bit and this is the third bit, okay? Now in logarithms, you have four basic formulas, okay? If a power x equal to n, which means log n to the base a is x, okay? Log x into y to the base a is log x plus log y, okay, to the base a. Now log x by y to the base a is log x minus log y to the base a, okay? Log x power m to the base a is m log x to the base a. Clear? So always we use these formulas, these properties, okay, these identities to solve. Clear? So now let us continue. So log 1000 you can write it as log 1000 can be written as 10 cube. Yes? So using this formula, log x power m is m log x. Yes? So it is m. Now this is m log x. Okay, so it is nothing but 3. Now we have learned that we are dealing only with the logarithms to the base 10. Okay, now log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So this is 3. Answer is 3. Clear? Now here the next one. It is of the form log x into y. Okay, so it is log x plus log y. Here also all these are multiplication. Okay, so this is nothing but log x cube plus log y cube plus log z power 4. Okay, this is not x cube, it is x square. Okay, now again all these are in the form of log x power m. Okay, so it is nothing but m log x. So it is 2 log x plus this power moves here, 3 log y. Here also it is 4 log z. Okay, logarithms are very easy. You have to only remember the identities. Clear? Now look here, it is log x cube by y square. Now this is whole power, square root you can write as 1 by 2. Yes, so this is nothing but log x cube to the power 1 by 2 by y square to the power 1 by 2. Okay, I am separating the exponents. So this is nothing but log, now this is x power 3 by 2. Okay, divided by y power 2 by 2 is 1. Okay, so y has no power now, y has power 1. So this is of the form log x by y. So it is log x minus log y. So it is log x minus log y, but x has the power 3 by 2. Okay, now again this is of the form log x power m. So it is 3 by 2 log x minus log y. Okay, this complete power goes here. Okay, the next question is you have to solve 3 power x equal to 5 power x minus 2. How do you do that? So now let us apply log on both sides. So it is log 3 power x equal to log 5 power x minus 2. Clear? Now both are of the form log x power m. So it is m log x. Okay, so here m is x. So it is x log 3 equal to, here this is m. This entire thing is m. So it is x minus 2 log 5. Clear? Now this is nothing but x log 3 is equal to, so this log 5 is multiplied to both these. Okay, so it is x log 5 minus 2 log 5. Clear? So we shall bring this minus 2 log 5 here. So it is plus 2 log 5 is equal to, now this is x log 5 and this, if it goes to the other side, is minus x log 3. Okay, now from these two terms x is common. Okay, so if you take out x common, you are left out with log 5 minus log 3. Clear? Now you want the value of x. X is equal to, now this is 2 log 5. So x is equal to 2 log 5. Now this is in multiplication. If it goes to the other side, it becomes what? It becomes division. Okay, so x equal to 2 log 5 divided by log 5 minus log 3. So now moving on to the next question. If x square plus y square is 25xy, you have to prove this. Okay, so here you can see in the LHS you have log x plus y. Okay, it is 2 log x plus y. That means this is of this form m log x. Yes, so it is 2 log x plus y. Okay, that means it is in this form. So if this 2 is nothing but power of this, so it is log x plus y whole square. Okay, so that means we have to get something as x plus y whole square here. Understood? So from what you have to prove, you have to derive some logic. Clear? So now you have to write this in the form of x plus y whole square. That means you have to add what here? You have to add 2xy here, okay? Because you know that x square plus y square plus 2xy gives you what? X plus y whole square, the identity. Yes? So this is equal to, since you are adding 2xy here, you will add 2xy on the right hand side also. Clear? So this is nothing but x plus y whole square is equal to, this is 27xy. Clear? Now apply log on both sides. So it is log x plus y whole square equal to log 27xy. Okay? Now this is of the form log x power m. Okay? So it is m log x. So it is 2 log x plus y is equal to, now this is nothing but log x into y. So you will write log x plus log y. Okay? So all these are multiplication. So it is log 27 plus log x plus log y. Okay? You are almost done now. Okay? You have to change this term. So it is log 27, you can write as 3 cube. Yes? So plus log x plus log y. Now this is again of this form. Yes, so the power comes here. So log 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Now what is the LHS? It is 2 log x plus y. So this is what we have to prove. Clear? So this is a 4 marker. Logarithms are scoring, but since it is a new topic for you, you need a little practice. That's it. And only these formulas, these identities you have to remember. And problems, these are limited model problems which you will get in your board exams. Now the next question is, if log x plus y divided by 3 is equal to half log x plus log y, so you have to find the value of x by y plus y by x. Okay, so how will you do? Firstly, you see this is of this form. Okay, log x into y is log x plus log y. Clear? So now let us reduce. So log x plus y by 3 is equal to half log x plus log y is what? It is log xy. Okay, so log x plus y by 3 is equal to, now this is of the form m log x. Yes, so it is nothing but log x to the power m. Here m is 1 by 2. Okay, now you have log on both the sides. Let us remove the log. Okay, so what you will get? You will get y. X plus y by 3 equal to xy whole power 1 by 2. Whole power 1 by 2 is nothing but it is square root. Okay, so it is x plus y by 3 is equal to root xy. Okay, so now x plus y is equal to 3 root xy. I am sending 3 to the other side. Okay, now let us square this so that we can remove the square root. Okay, so it is x plus y whole square is equal to 3 root x whole square. Okay, squaring on both the sides. So now what is this? X square plus y square plus 2xy equal to, now 3 square into root xy whole square this is. Okay, so x square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 3 square is 9 into root xy whole square is square and square root gets cancelled, so you have xy. Okay, so x square plus y square equal to, now bring 2xy to the other side, it is 9xy minus 2xy. Okay, so x square plus y square is 9xy minus 2xy is 7xy. Okay, now we shall bring xy to LHS. Okay, so x square plus y square divided by xy. Here xy is in multiplication. If it goes to the other side, it becomes division. Equal to, you have 7 here. Okay, now separate the numerator and denominator. Okay, so this is x square by xy plus y square by xy. Okay, equal to 7. Now you can cancel 1x and 1x and 1y and 1y. Okay, so you are left out with, I'll write here x by y plus y by x equal to how much? 7. Okay, is this what is asked in the question? Yes, so you have proved it that x by y plus y by x is 7. Moving on to the next question, it is given that 2.3 power x equal to 0.23 power y equal to 1000, and you have to find 1 by x plus 1 by y is how much. Okay, so first let us take 2.3x and 1000. Okay, because if you take these two values together, both have some unknown values, okay, x and y. So let us take something which is unknown and something which is known. Okay, so firstly let us take 2.3 power x equal to 1000. Okay, so this is nothing but 2.3 you can write as 23 divided by 10 to the power x equal to 1000 is nothing but 10 cube. Okay, so taking log on both sides, so this is log 23 by 10 to the power x equal to log 10 cube. Okay, so this is of the form log x power m. Okay, so it is m log x. Clear? Equal to 3 log 10. Okay, since this is also of the form m log x. Okay, so this is nothing but x into, now this is log x by y, this form. So it is log x minus log y. So let us write here. So it is log 23 minus log 10. Okay, now log 10 is nothing but 10 to the base 10. As I already told you, we are always speaking log 10 to the base 10. Okay, even if you are not writing here, still it is 10 to the base 10 equal to 3. Now this is also log 10 to the base 10, and you have to remember that log 10 to the base 10 is always 1. Okay, so it is 3 into 1. Now this is 1, so it is 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, now you want 1 by x. In the question they are asking you 1 by x value. Okay, so let us take x to the other side. So log 23 minus, now log 10 to the base 10 is 1. Log 23 minus 1 is 3. Now x is multiplication here. It goes to the other side, becomes division. Okay, so now this is nothing but, now if I want 1 by x, you have 3 here. Now I want 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to log 23 minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, this 3 is multiplying here. If it goes to the other side, becomes division. Clear? So now you got the value of 1 by x. Okay, now let us derive the value of 1 by y using this 2. Okay, so 0.23 y equal to 1000 is nothing but 10 cube. Okay, so this is nothing but 23 by 100 whole power y equal to 10 cube. Now again taking log on both the sides, log 23 by 100 whole power y equal to log 10 cube. Okay, the similar steps repeats now. Okay, so y log 23 by 100 equal to 3 log 10 to the base 10. Okay, the same steps are repeating. See, we are using these identities now. So y log, this is of the form x by y. So it is 23 minus log 100. 100 you can write as 10 square. Yes. So equal to 3 into log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So the answer is 3 here. Okay. So log 23 minus, now again this is of the form log x power m. So it is 2 log 10 to the base 10 equal to 3. Now y I'll take it to the other side, becomes into division by y. Okay, 3 divided by y. Since it is multiplication here, it becomes division. Okay, now this is nothing but log 23 minus, now this is log 10 to the base 10, it is 1. Okay, so it is 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, this becomes 1. So you have a 2 here, so 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, so equal to 3 by y. Okay, now I want the value of 1 by y, only 1 by y. So which implies 1 by y is equal to, you will take 3 to the other side. So it will be log 23 minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, now this is 1 by y and this is 1 by x. Okay, now we want the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y. Okay, it is nothing but log 23 minus 1 divided by 3 minus log 23 minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, they are like fractions. Let us take LCM. So LCM is 3. So here it is log 23 minus 1 minus log 23 minus 2. Okay, so 1 by x plus 1 by y is nothing but, here it is log 23 minus 1, log 23 minus 1 minus log 23. Okay, so it is minus log 23. Now minus into minus is plus. So it is plus 2 divided by 3. Okay, plus log 23 minus log 23 gets cancelled, and 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So the answer is 1 by 3. I hope you have enjoyed learning logarithms, solving problems related to logarithms. So logarithms is a scoring topic. Don't leave it, practice it a little, and you have hardly 4 to 5 identities to learn. Okay, so practice it, and I'll meet you in the next video with a different set of questions. Like this video, share this video to all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.